This is an introduction of Power BI part 1, and the agenda of this video is to explain brief about BI, what is Power BI, key features of Power BI components. Okay, let's jump into the video. So what is BI? BI stands for business intelligence. It refers to a technologies, processes, and practice used to collect, integrate, analyze, and represent business information. The goal of BI is to support better decision making within organizations. It helps organizations improve decision making, identify opportunities of growth, optimize processes, and gain a competitive edge in the market. Key component of BI, it is a data integration. With the help of database spreadsheet, we can integrate our data. Data analysis, query report, data mining, and statistical analysis. Data visualization, interactive chart, graph, and dashboard. Predictive analysis. With the help of BI, we can predict like the future expenses, future of the processes where we have to work and where we have to focus, forecast future trends and upcoming based on the historical data. What is Power BI? Power BI is a business analytical service developed by Microsoft. It enables users to visualize and analyze data from various resources, create interactive report and dashboards, and share insights across their organization. Why Power BI? How Power BI? For whom it is? Why? Data preparation, data analysis, data visualization. These are the three main features which help us to analyze, to prepare our data, raw data into a meaningful data, analyze the data and visualize it over a dashboard. How it is going to perform these activities? Power BI desktop. This is a tool on which we are going to focus in this course, Power BI desktop. Power BI Pro and Power BI Mobile, which help us to share our dashboard or reports over the connected networks organization. Who? Individual, team, organization. Everyone can use this Power BI for their analysis or prediction of the upcoming trends in the market. Prepare and create. Prepare the database, create a visual chart or dashboard, collaborate and share it over the connected network. Access anywhere. With the help of Power BI Mobile, we can access dashboards report anywhere. Power BI key features: data connectivity. We can connect our Power BI dashboard with the database like SQL, MongoDB, etc., spreadsheets, fat files. Data transformation and modeling. We can clean, shape, and manipulate our data. Data visualization, interactive chart, graphs, and dashboard. Creative report and dashboards. Natural language queries. Data sharing and collaboration. Security and governance. Component of Power BI. There are total 5 main components in Power BI. Power BI Desktop, the tool on which we are going to work very shortly, which help us to connect, create report and build the dashboard. Power BI services, collaborate, share, access data insights from anywhere. Power BI mobile, access reports and dashboard from their mobile. Power BI report builder, it is a kind of snapshot of current data to the client. No data modeling involved here. Power BI report server for the sensitive data. Power BI provide their server for the security reasons on sensitive reports. Thank you for watching this video. We'll see you in upcoming videos.